Hi, I'm Stephanie, the PT with the Note Ninjas, and together with Nicole, we help PTs, OTs, and the students with treatment planning and documentation. So today, let's talk about those patients that are using an assistive device to walk, such as their walker. And they really want to get to not using a device, but they're still hesitant. There are some things that we can do to just help increase their confidence and get them to that point. So first of all, Nicole thinks this one's funny, but I sometimes have my patients go outside and use a garbage can that's on wheels that you take out. It just really helps steady, and you can walk down the street with it, maybe just up and down the driveway so they don't look that crazy on like garbage night. But it does give them something steady to hold on to, which is not the walker. Also, if they're like in ShopRite or a food store, they can use the cart. Obviously, that it's a little bit more resistance though, but it still just gets there. Sometimes it's more mental than it really is like physically being able to do it. Besides that, something else we can do is at a counter or at a table, we can use a towel and just have them walk and kind of just drag it on just for a little bit of help with that. If you have, a lot of people have those rolling laundry carts. Those are great, by the way, especially to help your patients with laundry. If you have one of those, you can have your patient walk around more with that. And those are, you can use your hand obviously, but I feel like the patient doing it on their own just really helps with the mental part and just getting them past the fact that they're nervous and have that fear. They're just all just little kind of tips that we can do to get rid of that walker, especially when the main thing is fear and not really a physical reason. And then just document what you're doing. It's a great skill. It really helps your patient meet their goals. And, we're really helping our patients getting better and using our own creativity. So I hope this helped. Make sure to follow the Note Ninjas for more treatment ideas and documentation tips.